An electrolyte is a substance that undergoes electrolysis. And it should be noted that there are two types of electrolytes. Types of electrolytes. We have what we call the weak electrolytes. A weak electrolyte is an electrolyte that partly or partially ionizes. That partially ionizes in aqueous solutions. Good example. I can give you a very good example of water itself. Water is a weak electrolyte because when water ionizes, it forms hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. Why do we call it a weak electrolyte? And why do we say it partly ionizes? In a strong electrolyte, all the hydrogen atoms, all the hydrogen ions at one side, and the negative ions are also on the other side. But here, I've decided to use a half equation because weak electrolytes, their reactions are reversible. Their reactions are reversible. What does this mean? That it is very easy for the product ions to combine again to form back the molecule of water. So hydrogen ions are the protons, because electrolysis is basically for ionic compounds and a few covalent compounds that have the ability to form positive and negative ions. It is known that covalent compounds always do not ionize, but there are a few special cases like water is a covalent compound, but it can partially ionize to form the positively charged ions, hydrogen ions, and the negatively charged hydroxide ions. I would want also to talk about a strong electrolyte. Strong electrolytes, and I would say these ones completely ionize. There are solutions. A good example, we can talk about dilute hydrochloric acid. If we decide to put hydrochloric acid in aqueous solutions, we make it to ionize to form hydrogen ions and chloride ions. There is a quite big difference between the weak electrolyte and the strong electrolyte. In a weak electrolyte, part of hydrogen atoms or part of the hydrogen ions remained within the negative species, the negative ionic species, and part of it came on to form the protons. Okay? But here in a strong electrolyte, we have what we call complete ionization. Another good example is dilute sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid undergoes electrolysis to form hydrogen ions and sulfate ions. I'm putting a 2 negative while sulfate has a valence of 2, and yet it's a non-metal ion that forms a negative. So I'm putting 2 protons here or 2 hydrogens because I want to balance the hydrogen atoms on the product side. We have other
any
terminologies.
like a name.
We have other. I want also to talk about other terms in electrolysis, and it's time we talk about an electrode. We should know that an electrode is a conductor that directs, directs charges or ions, that directs a charge in and out of an electrode. There are two types of electrodes, and one will have what's called an balance. An balance. I'm putting a glass. Why? Balance is a very charged electrons. Sorry, unbalance is a positively charged electron. Whereas the cathode, I'm putting a negative Y because a cathode is a negatively charged electron. A negatively charged electrons. So we have two types of ions. Um, we have what we call the cations. I'm not talking about types of ions. We have the cations, and I'm sure that cations are positively charged ions. Indeed, those of metal ions, calcium, magnesium, sodium, and ions. Etc. We also have what's called anions. Anions. Anions are negatively, negatively charged, negatively charged ions. Yes, so talk about some of them. They include bromide ion, bromide ion, sulfate ion. All those are negatively charged ions. Now, the entire basis for electrolysis lies between a student knowing the anode, cathode, cations, and anions. But I'm going to give you a simple method. The cations, they are positively charged. We're going to follow the rule of electrostatics. Ionic charges are attracted. Cations are positive, and therefore they should be attracted to the cathode, which is a negatively charged electron. So we have the ion and we have the electron. The ion, which is a cation, is positive. It is always attracted to the cathode, which is negative. Also, the second one is the anion, which are negative. These ones are going to be attracted to the so-called ions, and which ion is positive. A student should use the knowledge of the alphabetics. Cathode begins with C, and the cations also begin with C. So the cation positive is attracted to the cathode, which cathode is the cathode. The cathode is the negative electron and it attracts the cations. The student should also know that N is for anions, negatively charged ions,
And then iron is also A is the electron which is positively charged. I'm going to show you the theory of have you been able to understand that cations are attracted at the cathode and anions are attracted at the anode? Now you are fixed to know the theory of electrolysis. The theory of electrolysis, I'm going first of all to